Introduction to Python. Python is a popular, high-level programming language known for its simplicity and readability. Its versatility makes it a go-to choice for a wide range of applications, such as web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence and machine learning, automation, and much more. What we will cover in this course: basic syntax and variables. Learn how to write basic Python code and define variables. Data types. Understand the different types of data in Python, such as int, used for integer, float, used for decimal numbers, string, used for text. Basic operations. Perform mathematical and logical operations, arithmetic operations like plus, minus, multiply and divide, logical, and, or, not. Relational, like equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to. Conditional statements. Make decisions in your code using if, else, and else if. Loops. Loops are used to repeat actions efficiently. Two most commonly used loops are for loops and while loops. Functions. Functions are used to organize your code and make it reusable by defining functions. Conclusion. By the end of this course, you'll have a strong foundation in Python programming, ready to tackle real-world problems. Let's get started. Thank you for joining me in this first lecture of the Python Basic course. See you in the next video. Until then, happy coding.